What is namespacing? In simple words, namespacing is nothing but a container that is used to store some sort of classes, functions, as well as variables which can be repeated multiple times in your code without causing any error. For example, I have used a script tag which is embedded in our HTML boilerplate. So we have used two variables. The first variable is boy and the second variable is girl, and we have used two property names. So the first property name is boy name and the second property name is girl name. And for both the properties, we are going to return a void function that is an empty function, and we are going to print the sentence: the boy name is John and the girl name is Kate. Okay, so I will open the browser and we will see whether it is working or not. So yeah, in the console we are getting the output. The boy name is John and the girl name is Kate. Okay, so this is a simple example of namespacing in JavaScript.